Do you want to create a new YouTube channel from scratch and you don't know how to go about it? Hi there, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a brand new YouTube channel from scratch. If you are new in this channel and you want to receive more updates, please hit on that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a brand new video. Open your browser, type in youtube.com, or if you already have opened YouTube onto your browser, then you will just need to click on this icon if it is registered here. Click on this icon over here, sign in because there is no channel associated on this Google Chrome. Suppose you already have a YouTube channel and you want to maybe create another one. Click on this icon under switch account, add account, and then you proceed. You can log in with your email or your phone number. That is when you already have an email address or a phone number attached to that email address. But if you don't have an email address yet, then you need to go down to create an account. And when you click on this create account, you will be presented three options. You want an account for yourself, you want an account for your child, or you want to manage a business. Anyone you choose has the same option, but just to know that creating an account for a child is limited for children. I want a business Google account. You will be asked to fill in your first name, your last name, and your email address. So if you already have an email address, you can't log in here. But if you don't have an email address, you go to create a new Gmail address instead. So I will put the first name here to be Astral, and over here I will put music, and the username I will type Astral Rec. That user is taken. Try another user. Okay, this is what they are proposing, the ones that are available. When you type in your username, Google will search on the internet to see if there is a username already attached to that one you put. So if it already does, they are going to propose other ones for you, like what they propose. So I will choose Astral Music Record 55 at gmail.com and put my password. Make sure you put a strong password, that is uppercase, lowercase, and numbers. That is a strong password. Use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Right, go to confirmation to show that what you type in here is what you also type in there, and go to next. Astral, welcome to Google, and a phone number, but you can ask that later. It's not a must that you add that now. Add a recovery Gmail. It is optional. If you have another Gmail account, you can attach that right here, so that should in case you forget your password or there is any issue with this Google account, you can try to fix it with the other account, because Google will send a notification to the other account, that is to your recovery email address. We will use this to keep your account secure. That is exactly what they are saying. It is optional. You are free to use. Month, day, year, all these things are important. You have to put all this information before proceeding. Here you can select, if you are not in this current country, select your country and then just add in a phone number and next. So privacy terms, you must read all these privacy terms before proceeding. You must agree to the privacy terms. Make sure to read and then go to agree if you agree. But if you don't agree, go to cancel. That means you can't create a Google account or an email account. Your Google account is all set. Now add your business profile. Create your free business profile and let customers discover your business on search and maps. Not now. Continue. So we are done with that. You don't need to add all these details again. So next step, you go to YouTube, and A, which stands for Astral, so you click on this A, Astral Music Record, that is the Gmail. You go to create a channel. That doesn't mean since this icon A is there, your channel has been created. Click on it and go to create a channel. The name is Astral Music, but you can customize it by clicking create channel. You agree to YouTube terms of service. Go to create a channel. That is all. You can upload a profile picture immediately. So this is the profile picture I want to add to this channel. I'll go to done. You can resize it like this. You can resize this other way. Go to done. So Astral Music Record, and then I will go to create channel. There we go. We just created a brand new YouTube channel with the name Astral Music Record. You are now free to start uploading content. Our goal was to show you how to create a brand new YouTube channel from scratch. In our subsequent videos, we will be showing you some custom YouTube settings, like verifying your YouTube account with a phone number so that you can upload custom thumbnails to your YouTube videos, adding a description to your YouTube account, adding tags, and adding links to other social medias. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you enjoy watching it, please give us a thumbs up. Tell us in the comments what you think about this video. Share this video to those who might be in need of. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.